Okay, when you receive this cryolipolysis machine, firstly check all the parts, the main body, and with two standard handle pieces. One is the big handle, and one is the middle handle. There are three hawkers, two big, and one small. Besides, you have an accessory bag. Open it. You will find the water funnel, the power plug, and the water circulation tool, the fuse, and the fiber ring. Some screws. The small storage device, our operation video and user manual, and some other video all inside. You can connect with your computer to check the details. This is a pulse oximeter. During treatment, you can use for the customer in case of any wrong risk. And the factor measurement ruler. And the fat thickness measurement ruler. The machine's key. Okay. So firstly, you need to install the hawker. Find the tool and the screws. Each hawker with two screws. Make sure the hawker, the place face the ground, and the empty place face the front, and face the correct place. Use two screws to form. Okay. Use the tool to form well. Handle piece. Emergency handle. Connector here, and face the correct place. This is the empty line. Like this, from well. Okay. And the middle side sprayer handle. Make sure here with two rubber ring, so you must make sure the rubber ring didn't broken during fraction exchange. The handle piece you connect will face the correct place, and like this. Okay. And before your connection, here with two spring buttons, you must press down and push them to the middle. Okay. When you see like this, then finally connect. When you hear the sound, that means the connection well. Find the two screws of the accessory bag. The upside and down with two plates for the screw to form the handle piece well. So in case of any drag broken, you should form them. The same for another handle. Put the correct place and make sure the rubber ring isn't broken, and press the spring down. Push them to the middle, then connection. Okay, here the south connection well. Use the screw to form. When the handle will prepare the well and the connection well, you can prepare the distilled water, about 8 liters, to add into the machine. When you try to add water, firstly you open the water inlet. And later you open the water vents. Then use the water funnel. Connect the water inlet place. Then add water from outside. Okay, when you see the water finally go out from the vents, that means the water full filled. So you wait a little while for the water exhausted and stop. Then you can form the vents and form the water inlet. And clean the water around. Later you can connect the plug here. Then you can have a check at this place. There is a protector key for the machine. Make sure this blue button turn to on. Here shows the on and off. Turn to on. Okay. and face the machine. Find the key, insert it into this place. Here is the red emergency stop button. Before you open the machine, please turn this button to the right. Make it spring up like this. Okay, again. Turn to right, make it spring up. Then turn this key to on. Open the machine. Okay, and later you can check your user manual and the user video to know the operation details. Thanks for you.